coop.
Well, your father does.
Mom would have let us stay out.
Well, Mom's not here, and you're grounded.
Guano.
And where do you pick up language like that? I told you not to hang around that Maggie Pie. She's so blue.
Well, you say it.
Well, it's different when I say it. When I say it the more adult, mature, and grown-up way.
Still means the same thing. When's Mom coming back?
I don't know, honey. Did you preen your feathers today?
Haven't got around to that yet.
What do you mean you haven't gotten around to that yet? What do they teach you these days? Don't you know what happens to ducklings who don't preen their feathers? They sing.
But she is coming back.
I don't know, honey. And did you eat the pondweed I packed for you?
The pelicans don't have pondweed.
Well, no, the pelicans wouldn't.
Will she find it ugly?
I don't know, honey. I don't know. Okay, off to roost. Now, don't forget to brush your beaks. And don't take all the water. My bill's big enough.